Hey everybody, Jason here one last time before market closes because I will be in an appointment up until 1 p.m. I'm stepping into here shortly. One thing I just really wanted to talk about when we're having these nice green days, I'm sure you guys are having some success and some nice green days, is make sure you take the time to pay yourself. We've gone through a lot of stress. If you've been trading for any amount of time these last weeks, months, probably been pretty stressful when we've seen a lot of movement against us, a lot of stocks going down, our account value going down, not to mention the fact that we have our money on the line. So since you're doing all that, putting your time, effort, and everything into it, and your cash into it, you really deserve to pay yourself. And I don't want to see, you get a lot of wins or anything, and then you just throw it right back in, and then go through that cycle again. I'd like to see a little bit off of the top when we have these successes, and do one of a couple things. One, well, I guess you could do three things. One, which is probably the hardest to do, is just take the cash off the table, let it sit in your account, and just save it for whenever we have the next really downtime. But that's difficult because it's sitting in this account, and it's really easy to play with when you have a whole bunch of cash. The second thing is go ahead and just do a withdrawal. I've taken out $500 today, $1,000 last week, and I take out a few $100s every now and again, just so it's, so I'm paying myself for this work, because it is work at the end of the day, to watch the news, pay attention, and then go through the stress of it. Or the third option, buy yourself some equity in a stock that you want to hold long term. Nothing that you're just buying to flip real quick. Don't go out and just, throw it all in a SPAC that you don't really care about, trying to make a bunch of money. Go buy something that you want long term, some AT&T, some Starbucks, some Tesla, something that you have actual equity in the company that you can hold on to, and you can just build. And then you can take all these really nice days and take some of that cash and just go ahead and plunk it into there, and not really think about it, or not worry about it. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. I know I've said this in the past, but I'm sure I have a few people that have been watching lately that didn't watch when I used to say that quite a bit more often, as we were having so many green days. So this will be another time while we're making profits, while we're getting good returns. I'm going to take a lot of this off of the table, and I'm going to pay myself. And that's actually how we built most of our positions out that we did. So quick look at the positions: 795, 800. They're up 800%. That's since yesterday. So $11 into 93 so far. I did have 3 of these open. I closed 2 of them out at 90. So I've taken some of that profit off the table. So 800% gain. We love to see that. And because that's so short term, that's why that's gained so much. This $810 call we opened up this morning for $425. It is now worth $1,248. And we still have quite a bit of time on that. 790, 800s. Bought that yesterday for 74 cents, $74. That is a 300% gainer now, up to almost $300. And I actually opened up, let's see, this is the other one that we did, $35. Currently $110, so we're up 200% on that. And I grabbed 10 of these. They cost me $20 a pop. This is for sure a YOLO play, and I've made this play before. Just looking to get some good return, and if it happens to pop way up, these will return us some pretty good money. I mean, it's already up 25% in the matter of, I think I just got this an hour ago or so. But that's pretty much it. I rolled out some stuff, and moved a little bit up where I didn't have much more to gain. So hope you guys are all having a great green day as well. Love you guys, and let's go make a lot of money.